Whether you're a seasoned hunter, a tactical shooter, or just an outdoor enthusiast, having the right optics can make all the difference. The Firefield 20-60x60 SE spotting scope kit is a game-changer in the world of high-quality optics, designed to help you zero in on your target with unmatched precision. One of the standout features of the Firefield 20-60x60 SE spotting scope is its wide magnification range. With a variable power magnification that spans from 20x to 60x, this scope offers incredible versatility. Whether you're scanning the horizon for game at a distance or need to take a closer look at a specific target, the Firefield scope delivers crystal-clear images at any magnification level. Quality optics are the heart of any spotting scope, and this scope doesn't disappoint. The fully multi-coated lenses enhance light transmission and ensure bright, clear images even in low-light conditions. This means you can use the scope at dawn or dusk without compromising on image quality, making it perfect for early morning hunts or late evening target practice. This scope is equipped with a back 4 prism. This ensures edge-to-edge clarity and minimal distortion, giving you a sharp and accurate view of your target. Whether you're watching wildlife or spotting at the shooting range, you can trust the Firefield scope to provide a clear, undistorted image every time. One of the practical features of this scope is that it's nitrogen purged. This process eliminates internal moisture and prevents fogging, ensuring a clear and fog-free view through the scope even in challenging weather conditions like rain or extreme temperature variations. No more frustrating moments of peering through a foggy lens when the weather turns against you. Designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions and rough handling, the Firefield 20-60x60 SE spotting scope is built to last. Its robust construction ensures that it can handle the rigors of outdoor activities, whether you're trekking through dense forests, climbing rocky terrains, or enduring the unpredictable elements of nature. Extended observation sessions can be taxing on your eyes, but the Firefield scope makes it easier with its comfortable rubber eyepiece. It's designed to provide a comfortable viewing experience, even during long periods of use. This is particularly beneficial for birdwatchers and hunters who often spend hours scoping their surroundings. The quick focus knob is another user-friendly feature that simplifies focusing at both short and long distances. For those who love to capture what they see, this scope is camera adaptable. This feature allows you to attach a camera for digital scoping, combining the power of your scope with your camera to take detailed, high-quality photos of distant objects. It's a fantastic feature for nature photographers and outdoor enthusiasts who want to document their observations. The scope comes complete with 2 types of carrying cases. The durable nylon carrying case offers lightweight portability for everyday use, while the rugged hard case provides maximum protection for travel or storage. Whether you need convenience or security, these included cases have you covered. The included large, fully adjustable tripod is another highlight of the Firefield 20-60x60 SE spotting scope kit. It allows users to achieve stable and precise positioning, which is crucial for extended periods of observation. Whether you're watching birds, scoping for game, or surveying your surroundings, the tripod ensures that your scope remains steady and accurately positioned. The Firefield 20-60x60 SE spotting scope kit is a versatile, high-quality optical tool that excels in various outdoor activities. And at less than $100, it's a great value. Check out the links below for more info.